YNAB versus Monarch, which budgeting app is best for you? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, I'm going to compare the two most of the popular personal finance software tools, which is YNAB and Monarch tools. And to create an account on YNAB or Monarch, you can use the link in the description, and by using the links, you may also get some discounts or rewards upon sign up. So basically, I'm going to compare YNAB with Monarch in terms of their pros and cons, features, pricing, and other factors. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of which software tools is best for you and your personal finances. So make sure to watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. But if you don't know YNAB, it is a platform and app that follows the zero-based budgeting method, in which it helps individuals effectively allocate every dollar they earn into categories, allowing them to plan ahead and track their expenses, in which YNAB is conveniently accessible through platforms like desktop, iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Android, and even Alexa. And although it does come with subscription fee of $14.99 per month or $99 annually, it's worth considering YNAB's approach to budgeting. On the other hand, Monarch is a personal finance manager that connects to your bank, credit card, or investment accounts, in which it automatically categorizes your transactions and provides insights into your spending patterns. And also, Monarch also gives you your personalized budgeting recommendations based on your financial goals and preferences. Since Monarch has a simple and intuitive design and allows you to see your net worth and cash flow at a glance. So basically, YNAB and Monarch are two personal finance apps that helps you to manage your budget, track your expenses, and achieve your financial goals. And now let's see other details about YNAB and Monarch. Now let's talk about the YNAB features and benefits, since YNAB assists you in creating a budget from scratch where you allocate every dollar to categories and avoid exceeding your spending limits. And also, you have the option to link your bank and investment accounts, with YNAB allowing for transactions import. And YNAB syncs across various devices and platforms, ensuring that you can access your budget anytime and anywhere. And also, the support provided by YNAB is exceptional, accompanied by resources that guide you in mastering effective budgeting techniques. With YNAB, you can monitor goals such as saving for a vehicle, eliminating debt, or achieving early retirement. And you also have the flexibility to filter information by date range, account details, category specifics, or payee details for an understanding of your personal finances. And YNAB is accessible across platforms including web, iOS, Android, Alexa, and Apple Watch. This means you can conveniently manage your budget from anywhere at any time while staying connected with your partner or family. And now that we know the YNAB features and benefits, let's talk about the Monarch features and benefits, in which Monarch assists you in creating a customized budget that aligns with your objectives and spending patterns. And in Monarch, you have the ability to link your bank and investment accounts, enabling transaction imports, in which it seamlessly syncs across devices and platforms, ensuring accessibility to your plan at any time and from anywhere. And with Monarch, there's a cash flow forecasting feature that aids in planning, including retirement plans. And Monarch allows you to conveniently track your worth, portfolio performance, and asset allocation all in one place. And aside from that, you can take advantage of a 14-day trial along with the flexible pricing options for a risk of experience. And now that we know the features and benefits of both platforms, we can now proceed to their pros and cons, starting from YNAB. The pros of using this platform is that it offers free 34-day trial, and also it is flexible budgeting with manual and automatic account linking option. And also it offers real-time sync, separate categories, displaying transactions, and goal tracking. And aside from that, YNAB also offers world-class support and educational resources. However, the cons of using YNAB is that it requires a subscription fee of $11.99 per month or $84 per year to use all the features. And it also has a learning curve and may not suit for everyone's budgeting style or preferences. And it does not offer features such as bill negotiation, subscription cancellation, or credit score monitoring. And it also does have a busy interface compared to other budgeting apps. Now moving on to the pros and cons of using Monarch. Starting to its pros, it offers free 14-day trial and also personalized budgeting recommendations, cash flow forecasting feature, investment tracking, and network calculation. And aside from that, it also offers flexible pricing plan. However, the cons of using Monarch is that it is relatively new and unproven software, and it has no zero-based budgeting options, no goal tracking feature, no reports and graphs of spending, and higher costs than some competitors. And now that we know the pros and cons of both platforms, the question is, who should choose YNAB? Well, if you're in search of finance software that supports the concept of zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is allocated to a category to avoid overspending, then YNAB could be the perfect fit for you, since YNAB goes beyond budgeting based on projected income, and it focuses instead on helping you make the most of your current finances, preventing unnecessary debt. Moreover, YNAB offers support and educational resources to guide you through the budgeting practices, and it also includes features that allow you to set track and goals such as saving for a car, paying off debts, or planning for retirement. And you also have access to reports and graphs displaying your spending patterns and overall net worth, enabling you to monitor progress and identify the trends. But what about Monarch? Who should choose Monarch? Well, if you're in search of finance software that can assist you in creating a customized budget based on your objectives, spending patterns, then Monarch could be an ideal option for you. Since with Monarch, not can you plan for your future and retirement, but you could also gain insights into how your present decision impact tomorrow through its cash flow forecasting feature. Furthermore, Monarch conveniently allows you to monitor your worth, portfolio performance, and asset allocation all in one place, providing an overview of your financial well-being. However, it is important to note that Monarch lacks features like zero-based budgeting options, goal tracking capabilities, and detailed reports or graphs of your expenditures. And these are elements that individuals accustomed to budgeting applications might miss. Additionally, it's worth considering that Monarch comes with a cost compared to some competitors and is still relatively new with track record. And now, in conclusion, YNAB and Monarch are two popular personal finance software tools that have different strengths and weaknesses, since YNAB is the best for those who want to follow a zero-based budgeting method, budget with money they currently have, set and track their financial goals, and see the reports and graphs of their spending and net worth. On the other hand, Monarch is the best for those who want to create a personalized budget based on their financial goals and spending habits, plan for their future and retirement with a cash flow forecasting feature, and track their net worth, portfolio performance, and asset allocation in one place. However, the choice between the two platforms ultimately depends on the individual's budgeting philosophies, tracking preferences, and specific financial goals. So that is just basically the comparison review between YNAB and Monarch. Thank you.